I'm Logan, I'm 4 years old. I'm so excited for Halloween. Today I'm going to make Halloween trees for my lunchbox. First we need some mandarin oranges. Mandarin oranges are so delicious. We're going to make jack-o'-lanterns with our oranges. First we're going to draw our eyes. Second, we're going to make an upside down triangle for the nose. And last, we're going to make zigzag lines for the mouth.
Oh no!
It rolled!
It sure did roll. Oh no! The jack-o'-lantern is rolling. That is an awesome jack-o'-lantern. Let's make another one.
First, we make 2 triangles for the eyes. We draw an upside down triangle for the nose.
What do you do last?
We draw a zigzag line.
This one doesn't look very scary, Logan. Can I see your jack-o'-lantern?
Yeah.
Oh, that one is very sad.
I'm very sleepy. Oh well. I'll just... Next, we'll make Halloween ghosts from cheese sticks. First, we make 2 eyes. We make a big string mouth.
Woo!
That was pretty scary, wasn't it?
Your ghosts are flying?
There are witches in the air.
Oh, there are ghosts in the air.
No, witches in the air.
You made cheese stick ghosts. But next we'll make some witches' brooms, okay?
Okay. The next tree we'll make our witches' brooms. First we need some pretzel sticks. Next we need some mini Reese's peanut butter cups. First we need to open our Reese's peanut butter cups. Can I eat it?
Not yet.
Then we take the rubber out and turn it upside down. Next we take a pretzel and put it in the middle of our Reese's cups. And it looks like a broom to sweep.
It does look like a broom, or a witch's broom.
Let's open the second one. Take the wrapper off and turn it upside down. Then we put a pretzel in the middle of our peanut butter cup. Now let's open the last one. Put the peanut butter cup. Take the wrapper off. The pretzel out of the middle of our peanut butter cup. are 4 Rich's brooms as well. Smash that bell icon to get notified for all my new videos.